this glass, I just have a little bit of sugar. We're gonna mix this really well with the sugar and the egg, and it's gonna be like a sweet egg wash on top of the custard. You will see. Now we're gonna have to combine these two in a very slow, easygoing technique.
Crazy, yeah.
Exactly. And we're gonna take this mixture and mix it up, you know, like here, and pour it back into the pot. It smells delicious already.
That's a really
Very similar to polenta that you may know, but polenta is made out of corn. They taste different, similar effects. It absorbs a lot of liquid, that's why I also like pasta. Never seen it? Yeah. Okay, I chose the right person. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learned something new. I hope you are hungry, because there is, I don't know if you noticed, you cooked a lot of food. And like this, I can cut and eat the pie like a finger food, like a pizza. Try it with some tzatziki on top, and thank me later. Best combination ever.